Madras, if you go to see the way in such a haste they took our CM of Delhi and our leader of AAP, Kejriwal. You all must have seen, you all must have witnessed. Teka कोणा मेळपाक दिवना, तका वेलकम करपाक दिवना. The way तका घेराव केलो आनी तेणी उडोवन लोकांक तका गाडयेन घातला, हाजेर आमी कंडेम करतात. But we welcome our Kejriwal sirji and hoping to meet him now.
But Kejriwal could have spoken to the Karyakartas by getting
He was
his
not
windows.
given a chance also. You all must have seen Kejriwal sir sat in the car and he was looking at me and he was doing namaste, namaste. Even the glass गाडीचो आडसो देखून ताका सकयल घालपाक दिवना. म्हणजे तांकां कितली भिरांत पडल्या आम आदमीची पळयात. I am again saying that Aam Aadmi has come up with a strong force. We are the true opposition for BJP in Goa. And secondly, you all must have seen when the BJP leaders come to Goa, it may be Amit Shah or anybody, you all might see तेन्ना तांकां protocol लागना. तेन्ना ते कशे सुसेगाद सगळ्यांक दिवन हार घालून फुलां बुके ते करतात. पूण आयज ते भिले खंय तरी insecurity is created in the minds of BJP and they are using their machinery for the wrong reasons. There was nothing. जस्ट आमचो कन्वेनर बुके दिवपासलो, आमची यूथ ताका फुलां दिवपासली आनी बरे भशेन आमी वेलकम करपाक सोदतालीं. तें देखून करपाक दिवना. बट वी लव केजरीवाल.